Tara said, how can I stop being nervous of messing up the canvas? Mess up more. Know that every single thing, I love this question. Know that everything you do is going to have something go wrong. Everything. What you want to do is have everything go wrong as much as possible now when you're a newer artist, when you're getting started. And I'm assuming you're a newer artist because usually that's a very common thing with newer artists, to be afraid of messing up. Mess up a lot and learn how to fix it. That's the trick. Learn how to fix it. Does that mean you need to paint over it? Does it mean that you add water and lift the area up that went wrong? What does that mean to fix it? But you want to learn now how to fix everything. I'm not afraid of messing anything up because I know how to fix everything. You want to know that now because let's say you're 10 years in the future and you're working on this amazing piece and everything is perfect and everything's gone well and either a kid came by and smudged something or you dropped your paintbrush. It's one of my big things. I drop my brush and it leaves a line down the canvas. I need to know how to fix that so I don't ruin the thing that's otherwise super, super amazing. When you're newer, mess everything up, make every possible mistake, and then learn how to fix it. Figure out how to correct that mistake. And it may be as simple as painting over that area. Or sometimes I'll have something, let's say I'm doing an ocean scene and I mess up the background. I'm never going to color match that exactly. You'll always be able to tell because of the way that I layer in glazes or each transparent layer, you would be able to tell. It's not as simple as just color matching. Now it has a bubble there or a fish swims across. There's always a solution to fix something. You just have to figure out what that is. But if you are a newer artist, don't be afraid of making that mistake. You want to make every mistake possible so you can learn how to fix it later on when it would be a bigger deal.
Hey, you. Yes, you. I see all your unused art supplies over there. Oh my God, those brushes aren't even opened yet. Tragic. You keep buying new fancy materials, but you don't use them because you don't want to waste them. Stop making your art supplies sad. Sign up for art lessons for as little as $4 a month. There are over 300 painting and drawing lessons available when you sign up and new ones every week. Patreon.com/Lachri.